Spring is here, and as we enter the months of April and May, we start to see a lot of flowers blooming and trees beginning to bud. Trees usually bud late March. We start to see flowering trees bloom early to mid-April, and then trees begin to leaf out late April to early May. They usually start off a red color but become fully green by the end of May towards Memorial Day. What causes the trees to bud? Well, it actually has to do a lot with the weather, but also the sunlight. First, photoperiod. Trees bud when the daylight gets longer. They need about 12 hours or more. And of course, we hit that 12-hour threshold during the spring equinox. Second, we need chilling requirements. Believe it or not, we actually need a cold winter in order for a good spring bloom. About 700 to 1,500 hours spent between the 32 to 45 degree mark, which we did see several months this winter. And that helps dormancy. Then in the spring, when it starts to warm up, we need a certain amount of warmth. Number 3 is growing degree days. So we need our average daily temperatures to be above 50 degrees. So that's the average of the high and the low for about 10 to 15 days in a row to see that bud break. And we did see that so far this month, so we are seeing blooms late this March. But you don't want buds too early, because when it gets warm too early, those trees and fruit bushes begin to bud in early spring, and the next cold or frost can kill off those buds. So that's something you don't want. Second, you don't want too cold temperatures late in the season and frost as well, which after bloom can be really deadly once the flowers start to break out. 25 degrees or colder can kill off 90% of fruit crops. And rain, you don't want too much of it because it deters pollinators and washes away pollen. Plus, the fruit set is limited, so you don't get as much apples on the apple trees, or the quality of them is hindered as well.